Hi, in this video we will learn how to show and hide our menus on certain actions like on button click or from script. Now we have this menu. It has an animated element and animation manager on it. The first thing to check is to uncheck show menu on enable because it should be disabled by default like any menu which is disabled by default. So we will disable this menu and make sure and show menu on enable is unchecked, and then we will go to this button that we want to animate the window and show it when we press on it. We will reset this button and add an on click event. We will take this menu and drag it in here and choose a function. We will go to Airy UI animation manager and press show menu. Now if we press play, the window is disabled by default. So when we press this button, it will show the animation. So let's make hide menu too. We will reset this button and add this event. We will drag our menu in here and go to Airy UI animation manager and choose hide menu. Now if we press play, you press show menu to show the menu and press hide menu to hide it. Show and hide. But there is one more thing. What if we want to do it from script? We will create C# script and let's call it menu animator, for example, and let's open it in Visual Studio. Now the first thing to do is to reference our animated element. Let's call it Airy UI animated element and let's call it animated element, and let's do the update. And if we press the button Z, it will show the menu. We will animated element dot show menu. I'm sorry, in here it will be the manager. Let's call it animation manager. And in here we will animation manager dot show menu. Now if we press X, we'll take this copy of this, and in here we'll change it to X. We will call hide menu instead. Let's create an empty object and call it menu animator and add this script to it, and let's drag our animation manager in here and press play. Now if we press Z on the keyboard, it will show the menu, and if we press X, it will hide the menu. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.